Welcome along to, now what's it called? Oh yes, BalloonTube. Yeah, good old BalloonTube. Well, some say that, some don't, who knows. Anyway, we're going to show you today the owl. Here he is. Alright, I'll give a little 12 for you. And now you can do the his tummy here section in an extra balloon. You could put a 260 mocker if you wanted to, but I'm doing it all out of one here. Alright, so inflate your blush 260, leave about 5 fingers uninflated, squeeze the air along, make this nice and soft. You need a small bubble, which will later on we're going to pinch twist. You need 2 4-finger fold twists. So there's one, push the first bubble through, squeeze the air, and now need another 4-finger, make sure they're about the same. Yep, there you go, that'll do it. Wrap it around a couple of times, make sure that's nice and secure there. That's going to be the owl's eyes, we'll put those in a minute. You need a 6-finger bubble, followed by a 2-finger bubble, which you're going to pinch twist. So this one to here, go for it, be aggressive, go on. You need another 6-finger bubble down here, around the 2 pinch twists, around the 2 fold twists. I've got pinch twists there. Come back with another 6-finger bubble. And you need another 6-finger bubble. Goes around there. And then your last one, squeeze the air right to the end. And a little bubble there, and that goes around your pinch twist there. Right, so this is going to be, this is his tummy. These 2 outer bubbles here, you open those out and push that down a bit. That just gives it a little space for where the beak's going to go in a minute. Alright, now we're going to put his eyes in. Alright, and that's a white 260, and you need 2 3-finger bubbles. There they are. The knot goes around the 2nd twist. Push that through a couple of times because you want it to be nice and secure. I then just squeeze the air along a bit and twist that around so that you've got a little spacer there, before you do your next 2 3-finger bubbles for his other eye. There you go. It goes around a couple of times. Get rid of this in your favourite method. Don't bite it, whatever you do. And you can get at least 2 or 3 more eyes from that one 260. Right, I'm going to cut off the excess of that. Look at that, look, scissors. Oh dear. And as you can see there is a bit of a space there, and then that's going to go around these 2 fold twists, and you push one of the eyes through that side, one through the other, and then so it's going to be like this. Now you're going to do the mocker, which is in a 160. I've got about 6 fingers uninflated on this, and again squeeze the air along, and you need 2 more fold twists, and they're 4 fingers. So you can measure them there. It's a 4-finger fold twist. Take the knot, make sure that goes through a couple of times, squeeze the air, make it a bit softer. And another 4-finger fold twist. Right, wrap that round, make sure it doesn't come undone, it's got to be nice and secure there. And this is going to go around this section just here. Wrap it all the way round, through the 2 fold twists. Alright, and the fold twist has got to go sideways on to his eyes. Alright, hang on, there we go. Right. And then the mocker 160, you're going to push over this part of the blush fold twist. So just open that. I'm not quite sure. I'll do it this way. Perhaps you can do it. Just open it up slightly. Push that. On the other side. Give that a little push. Make sure. I need to do it a little bit more, I think. There we go. It will, so it ends up sort of sitting like this, and it'll all sit a bit nicer in a second. Now, you need a slight spacer bubble on your 160 mocha. So give that a squeeze. It's only about a 1 finger, 1.5 finger bubble. You then need a pinch twist. So a 1 finger bubble, pinch twist that around. The wings, squeeze the air, and you need between a 5 and a 6 finger, depends how big you want the wings to be. So I'm going to go for about a 6 finger and then a 4 finger. Alright, 6 and a 4, that goes down your pinch twist. And then you've got to do another one. So you can see, because it's a 6 and a 4, it sort of arches and curves around. So squeeze the air, another 6, another 4. And again, that goes around your pinch twist. Do that a few times, make sure it doesn't come undone. And then deflate your mocha. Alright? And you can tie that in there just in case you don't want it to come undone. Now this is the front of the owl, so you need to get one of the wings and push it through there. Alright? And I have tried to do it while building the owl, sort of putting this in, but I just didn't squash that through, get it a bit centralised, there, and oh, now it's going to look something like this. You now need your, I use a coral 160, you could use orange, and we do Foy's beak, a 2 finger and a 1 finger, and then tie the knot round there, wrap that through a couple of times, and then get hold of that, tie this up because this is going to be his, you can use that for his feet in a second, so we'll just leave that there. Stay. So tie his beak up, and that's going to go just in this section there. And that a little bit. To stick out a little bit more. This little knot at the back, the bubble, you can turn into a pinch twist now, just to hide that knot up. So it still looks like an owl that way, doesn't it? Although that's the back, you see. And here's the front. And then for his feet, you get your coral again, and you want a 3 finger fold twist. And you want 2 of those, you put the knot through the fold twist, squeeze the air, another, oh, that looks a bit big, a little bit smaller, that's it, there we go. Get rid of this, favourite method, scissors, cutter, not your teeth, not your teeth. And the rest, there we are, and that will go round the pinch twist at the bottom. Put that around. I have the pinch twist sitting, right, so his feet sit like that. The pinch twist is this way with the bubble at the end, so it all makes it sit nice. If you want these wings to be a little bit shorter, you can do them a 5 and a 3, but I've done mine a 6 and a 4. So whatever size you like. And the as I said here, if you do run out of bloom and doing the blush on the owl, this section you could do with a 260 mocha, couldn't you? Because it gives it a nice contrast. You've got to draw on it. Oh, and don't forget, if you could hit the subscribe down here, tell a few friends. So let's have a go at doing some eyes. Good luck here, righto. Here we go. Oh. Oh, I think that might have gone a bit wonky, but there we are. And there's one eye, and try and get the other on the same. Right, do up, no, serious. Oh, that must have been about lower the bottom. Right, is that about the same? Well, it's a little bit different, but you'll get the idea. You've got a couple of eyelashes there. Oh, they're a little bit bigger than those ones and bolder, aren't they? There you go. Right. So here is our owl. Right, and a bit wonky there, isn't it? Right, so there he is. We'll give a little twirl for you. And don't forget, this is just pressure fitted, so you know, make it a couple of times. I'm sure you get the feel for it. Thanks for tuning in and watching. Do they call it tuning in? Who knows? Anyway, so this is Graham Lee on BalloonTube. Say bye bye for now. It's bye bye from the owl. Right. Cheers.